Welcome and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some fried chicken, and it's going to be Kentucky Fried Chicken style. And in the back I have my dry ingredients, seasonings, and in the front this is my wet ingredients. And I have some buttermilk here, hot sauce, onion powder, accent, garlic powder. I have my salt and pepper and 1 egg. So we're going to get started with this. And I have my chicken. I have half a chicken right here that I have to clean off, rinse, and then after I do all this, I'm going to let it marinate for about 5 hours. So let's get started. Using 2 cups of the buttermilk. Tablespoons of hot sauce. And I'm just going to sprinkle.
If you're new here and you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like button and do subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to receive upcoming videos. The all notification bell.
About a teaspoon of each. Okay, I cleaned off my chicken. Got all that extra fat off. I also researched this recipe, and it's the closest that comes to Kentucky Fried Chicken. So we're gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna marinate it for some hours. And it's going to be good and tender. The buttermilk going to make it very tender. Okay, my chicken set for 8 hours. So now I'm going to use my oil, my Dutch oven. We'll spray some Thyme in it. It's going to help it from sticking. I don't have a Fry Daddy, so this is good for frying chicken as well. And I'm using some vegetable oil. I used about almost all of it. It was pretty much on half. So we're gonna let this get hot. Here are my dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of flour and half a cup of starch, ground white pepper, paprika. I have some thyme leaves, ground mustard, basil leaves, oregano leaves, accent, onion powder, and garlic powder. So I combined it all together. I'm going to mix it in with the flour. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I know I did, but I'm so tired because I did most of the cooking. I'm going to set it in some wax paper. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. Alright, it's done, and it looks very crunchy. Yes, so let's try it. Yeah. Yeah, it's very, very good. You guys can try it. Very crispy. And it's done inside. You taste all the seasonings. That buttermilk made it so tender. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.